Hello, everyone. My name is Denise. Today, I will present to you my project, The Description and Sounds of Endangered Animals, an educational script that gives you a description of the inputted animal and play how the animal will sound like. What my code does is when the user select an animal from a list, the script will print the description and play the sound of the selected animal. The description of each animal was researched from internet and Singapore Zoo website. Let's jump into the code now with an actual example, shall we? Hi, this is Denise. I am in my terminal now to show you my code. So in my code, what I did first is I imported all the necessary libraries I will need. Then I created an animal endangered list as a variable animal list. Then I created a function called play YouTube audio that has a parameter called URL. URL here is the YouTube URL I have found for the animal sounds. The function downloads the sound of the video, saves it, and Pygame Mixer plays the file. Everything is inside a try except statement that handles potential errors of the code. At the end, I run the function main, which is a while loop. I can input animal names and print their description and sound. The while loop will continue forever until I type exit and the code will break. If I input an animal outside of the animal list, then it will print animal not found. Please try again. Let's run this Python file and allow me to show you how it works with my favorite animal, the python. The sound of a python. And this is the description of what a python is. It's a short one, so. And if I, for example, I type hippo, my code will say animal hippo not found. Please try again. And if I want to exit, I type exit, the code will break. That is my code. I hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Bye.